The SpaNet keypad can alert you to a number of error messages to troubleshoot. In this section, I will cover the two most common, which are error 3 and error 4. There's an easy way to fix these errors, which I will go through below. For all other error messages, please refer to your owner's manual. SV Spa controllers feature self-diagnostics and scrolling error messages to quickly troubleshoot possible problems. Should the Spa control encounter a problem, the error code or message will scroll across the topside panel screen until the problem is resolved. If you experience an error, all Spa functions are shut down and the Spa should not be used until the error condition has been resolved. I will talk you through a few examples of error code problems, causes, and possible solutions that you can go back and reference if needed. Error 3, water prime. Problem: water prime failed. Air detected in heater tube. Cause: airlock in pipework. Low water level. Dirty filter cartridges. Solutions: press pump A button to retry water prime. Check Spa water level and refill if necessary. Remove filter cartridges and press pump A button to retry prime. Bleed airlock from pipework by slightly loosening couplings on front of filtration pump. Or remove filter cartridges and flush water down the pipework with a hose. Error 4, thermal trip. Problem: heater thermal trip activated. The heater has been active and has had insufficient water flow over the element. Low or no water flow has caused the heater temperature to exceed its maximum limits, and the Spa control has shut down operation to prevent any damage to the heater unit. Cause: low water level, airlock in pipework, closed shut-off valves, dirty filter cartridges, or filtration pump failed. Solutions: turn mains power off and wait 10 to 15 minutes for the element to cool and the thermal cutout device to reset. Then turn the power back on, check Spa water level, refill if necessary. Remove filters and clean as per manufacturer's recommendations, or replace cartridges if required. Check under Spa cabinet to ensure all shut-off valves are in the open position. Bleed airlock from pipework by slightly loosening couplings on the front of the filtration pump, or by removing filters and flushing water down pipework with a hose. Please contact Spa World with any other error codes. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, you can head to the Spa World Learning Centre. To learn the next step in the Vortex Spa setup guide, click the following link displayed at the end of this video.